विसावा उपरांत परतून तुमकां येवकार. आतां पळोवया फुडल्यो खबरो. मायनिंग बंदी हो हुस्क्याचो प्रश्न आसा. मंत्री विजयान केल्ले विधान हे शिटकावणी नासून गोंयकारां बाबतीत हो हुस्को आसा. मायनिंग प्रश्नाचो लोकसभा वेंचणुकेचेर कांयच परिणाम जावचो ना. तो मेरेन मायनिंग प्रस्न सुटावो जातलो म्हूण विश्वास यूडी मंत्री फ्रांसीस डिसोजान दाखयला. आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर परवरेच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झिल रॉड्रिगीस आणि विलियम रॉड्रिगीस.
Try to convince the courts or make the necessary laws to start mining.
So mining is
And now National President has assured us that he'll do everything possible to start mining in Goa.
बट बीजेपी को वार्न दिया जैसा लग रहा है विजय का.
No, I don't feel so.
बट
It's a concern. It is a concern for him. It is a concern for me also. Because yesterday the workers from the mines came to me and they're about 60,000 number they say. So if 60,000 people go hungry, it is has to be a concern.
आपको भी लगता है कि लोकसभा इलेक्शन इफेक्ट पड़ेगा माइनिंग स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ.
Lok Sabha is in April, May. So our mining should start by September and October.
Okay.
So it shouldn't affect the Lok Sabha elections.
So, do you feel that your government will be able to appraise the state, appraise the court as far as the mining
It
is
is our
concerned?
duty, to appraise the courts and make the necessary laws. It is duty of the legislature to do all these things. Secondly, the mining has been stopped by the courts, not by the government. So the state government is not to be blamed for it. So we'll try to find a way out.
But your
State government
minister
cannot
is
be
blaming.
blamed.
Your
State government
minister-
cannot be blamed.
तुम्हारा मिनिस्ट्री ब्लेम कर रहा है कि
No, he is expressing a concern that something has to be done. So that he is free to do it, no? It's not a wrong concern. It's not a demand. It is a concern for the people who are suffering. So he is expressing that concern.
So state government cannot be blamed for this. It is the
No,
court.
it is not blame. I'm not blaming the court. Court is interpreting the law. Courts are interpreting the laws. So courts are not to blame for it.
No, but government also at the same
We
time
have
cannot
to-
be blamed. You see.
We have to bring to the notice of the court that these are the problems created by these orders. With the coupling of the government. And which is not, in the other statement is also categorically said that let the Congress topple the government. I'll see.
I'll see. I'll tell you.
Yeah. So what it means is with the government.